Hello everyone, welcome to SAP2000 video tutorial. In this video we will see how to define concrete area sections. So it may be slab or floor, etc. So for that we'll go to define. From define we'll go to section properties and we'll go to area sections. From area sections window we'll select section type. So the section type is shell, and then we will add new section. We'll write the name, maybe it is a slab, so we can write here slab. We can also select the color, maybe I'll select this one, and then the type of the shell, I will select shell thin. We may have the knowledge about the shell thin, thick, plate thin, thick, and membrane. For slab or roof, shell thin is the best option, and then we will input the thickness of the shell. So I will use 20 centimeter for both membrane and bending. And then we need to select materials. So material name, it will be concrete C25, and the material angle will be 0. Here concrete shell section design parameters, so we can set some parameters from here. We can click on here. As you can see here, the rebar materials, if we have defined rebar earlier, we can choose from here, and after that rebar layout options. So here are 3 options: default, 1 layer, and 2 layers. If we have the design parameter for 1 layer, we will select 1. If we have 2 layers, we will select 2 layers. So I will let it as default, and then I will click OK. From here I will also click on OK. So here, as you can see, the slab area section has been added, and then I will click OK. In this way, we can define area sections in SAP2000. I hope this video helped you a lot. I'll see you in the next time.